Hello everyone, Dave Grime from the Grime team here, and I have a question for you. Have you ever dreamed of living on a private island paradise? Well, if that's the case, I have something just as good. Welcome to Island Crt. Now I have a fantastic home to showcase to you today on an exclusive sought-after cul-de-sac here in Orangeville, close to downtown. So let's get down to the top 5 reasons why this home would be perfect for you. It's within walking distance to downtown Orangeville for boutique shopping, fine dining, and festivals. Numerous walking trails are steps away, and it's minutes to shopping and restaurants. Now everyone likes privacy, and this private lot is my reason number 4. The new fully fenced backyard backs onto a small park, so no neighbors behind. We have a nice private patio off of the living room, and on the other side, another deck we'll get to in reason number 1. The covered front porch and lush gardens will welcome your guests and family, so let's get on to the next reason and head inside. Now this main floor has a great layout, which brings me to reason number 3. The bright and sunny dining area with bay window, California shutters, and tray ceiling is open to the kitchen with pantry, island, and loads of covered space. Then you enter the huge living room with 12-foot ceiling, cozy gas fireplace, hardwood floors, and walk out to the side patio. We have a large primary bedroom with hardwood floors, a 4-piece ensuite, and walk-in closet. Then another large bedroom with again hardwood floors and a double closet. Finishing off the main level is a stylish 3-piece bathroom with walk-in shower. Reason number 4 is this fully finished basement. Check out the size of the rec room. It's massive with above-grade windows, gas fireplace, and plenty of space for entertaining or a teen retreat. We have lots of storage areas, an additional bedroom with wall-to-wall closets, and another 3-piece bathroom and massive cold cellar. But even better, for basement apartment potential or for sheer convenience, we have this handy staircase up to the insulated garage. And reason number 1 is something that I love, an amazing covered deck. This deck is so private and the perfect place for barbecuing, outdoor dining, entertaining, or just relaxing in any weather. It has access to the kitchen as well as the primary bedroom. You'll enjoy this private space every day of the year. Well, thanks for watching our video of this terrific home. To take a look at this paradise on Island Crt, give our office a call or check out our website for more photos, information, and our interactive walkthrough. And make your dreams of living on island come true.